Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Did you hear about the dog mood in metal detecting devices? I got you Revealer Plus from Gold Extra. It has dog mood. Yeah, when you activate the dog mood and you tell the device, you give instructions. I need you to search for specific metal, for example, copper or silver, whatsoever. After the device recognizes this is what you want, after you give the instruction, it will give you sound and it will detect only that specific metal. Now let's go and we will try it here in front of you. We have gold bangle, we have iron rod and plate of copper. And it is activated on the dog mode. This is the dog mode. Gold bangle. Now the device understood I'm looking for the gold. Now let's try plate of copper. Nothing. It's not giving me anything. Iron rod. The device no, I'm looking for the gold. I give the instruction I need only the gold. Now the device will give me. This is called the dog mode. Any queries about this device? Our WhatsApp number is 00971 564 669 803.